Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. Welcome back to Hyderabadi Dishes. Hope you are doing well. Today I come with another recipe. It's butter chicken. It's very delicious and tasty. Try at your home. I will show you step by step how to do. So let's start the recipe. So friends, today we are making butter chicken. What we need for butter chicken? This is 1 kg of boneless chicken. I pieces like this. This is our spices. I took half spoon of turmeric, 1 spoon of salt, 2 spoon of red chili powder, half spoon of black pepper, 1 spoon of garam masala, 1 spoon of coriander powder, 1 spoon of cumin powder, and 1 spoon of chaat masala. I took 1.5 spoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 lime. So friends, let's start the process. We need to add ginger garlic paste in it. We need to add all the spices. We need to add lime. Now it's time to mix everything. And I'm adding some tandoori chicken color in this. Now it's time to mix everything. So I mix it well. Now I just keep this aside for 30 to 60 minutes. Cover it and keep it aside. Let's do next step. For the next step, what we need? We need 3 medium size of tomato, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander, 3 red dry chili, 1 teaspoon of kasturi methi, 20 to 25 pieces of cashew nuts, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin, 3 cardamom, half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of food color. I took tandoori chicken color, and some coriander, and I took 1 medium size of onion, slightly cut. So let's start the next step. For the next step, we need to take a pan like this, and I'm adding, once the pan warm, I'm adding 60 ml of oil. Then you need to wait for 20 seconds to warm the oil. Afterwards, need to add cumin or cardamom in it. Put on low flame. Let's saute. So saute like this. After 20 to 30 seconds on medium flame, add coriander seeds. Saute for 20 seconds. After that, add onion. Stir for little bit brown. We need to stir until the onion little bit brown. Let's do that. So I'm doing stir fry like this. Maybe we need more 1 minute for a little bit brown. Let's do it. So friends, after 1 minute on high flame, I think it's almost done. Now it's time to add ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon. Just stir it like that for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, I'm adding 3 dry chili. Just stir fry like that. After that, I'm adding kasturi methi and cashew. Stir it for 1 minute on high flame. So friends, after 1 minute, we are adding coriander with stem I mean stem means coriander stem, little bit stem, I mean some stem. Stir it like that for 20 seconds. So after 10 to 20 seconds, I am adding turmeric and food color in this. Stir it. Stir it for 10 seconds. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir it. As per your requirement, you can add salt and chili. Now it's time to add tomato. Now stir fry. I think 4 or 5 minutes on high flame is fine because we need soft tomatoes. So let's do. So friends, I'm adding a little bit water for the tomato soft. So we need to wait, I think 4 to 5 minutes. Once it's soft, then we'll go for next step. After 4 to 5 minutes on high flame, I think it's all done. Our tomatoes is soft now. We need to switch off the flame and we will keep aside for cool. Let it cool, then we'll go for next step. So friends, I put our gravy for cool. In the meanwhile, I take a pan. So we'll add some butter in it. So let's add chicken. So our butter is warm now. Let's add chicken pieces in it. So friends, I put all the pieces in the pan. So we need to cook the chicken 90% in this pan. Then we will take off. In between, you need to do up and down pieces. Let's start. So our chicken is cooked now. It's time to take it off. So friends, I cooked this chicken 90%. You can see it's all done. I take off in a plate and let's grind this gravy. Let's grind it now. So for the next step, take a pan, add butter. So I added butter in it. Now it's time to add this. I grind already. Now do stir fry like this. So fry it like this. Now add some water. Need to stir fry again and put on medium flame or low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Then we'll do next step. So I am cover it and just put it for 4 to 5 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. In between you need to stir. So friends, after 10 to 15 minutes, it's look like that. It's cooked now. It's time to add chicken in it. I already cooked the chicken 90%. Just some we need to do. I think it's look like thick curry. We need to add some warm water in it. So friends, I'm adding some warm water to make it equal or even. Now we need to cook for more 2 minutes on high flame. I think our curry is cooked like that. After that we will do next step. So friends, after 2 minutes on high flame, it's cooking now. It's time to add some garam masala, some kasturi methi. If you think the salt requirement, you can add. I'm adding some salt. Now stir it. Stir it for 30 seconds. So after that we need to add thick cream. I'm adding 4 to 5 tablespoons. Up to your convenience you can add. It's time to add some coriander. Now stir it. I already cooked chicken 90%. Let's put it on low flame for 5 minutes. Then our butter chicken is ready. So friends, our butter chicken is ready. It's time to serve now. It looks so delicious. So friends, it's already cooked for 5 minutes. I add some more butter in it. It's time to switch off the flame. Our butter chicken is ready to serve. I hope you liked my video. This is our final look of butter chicken. Very delicious recipe. Please try at our home. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe my Hyderabadi dishes. Hope I see you soon on my next video with another recipe. Till then, take care. Bye and Allah Hafiz.